I welcome you once again to Ishiraben TV. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please just go do it. Today, Maniabre, this is very important and very serious for me. I came across this video on YouTube. It's trending all over on Facebook, YouTube, everywhere, where a guy called Kevin Taylor insulting Stonebwoy, one of our Ghanaian music, one of the best so far, insulting him for, you know, a tweet he made. He wrote on an issue, and then this issue is about, you know, I will leave the video so you will see.
Don't allow yourselves to be used by Hart, Stonebwoy, and Shatta Wale. I keep saying it. They've been able to change the product they started with, change it as time went on. They've been able to rebrand themselves well, and then now they're actually doing what we see musicians across the world who have names are doing, and I give them credit for that. Shatta Wale, Stonebwoy, fact. But Stonebwoy to come out to tell young men and women of Ashaiman who voted in the past elections, the 7th December elections, who did not kill anybody, who did not fight anybody, who were on the street demonstrating peacefully and saying, say, they want their vote counted. We've had elections over a week. You name the figure Ekufuado got and the figure is Mahama got. But Stonebwoy, Shatta Wale frustrated Kitwebi. Those people, 6 million omutuma, John Mahama no. Ever seen the easy to mean country about motoye. We don't know the exact figure. Who's Stonebwoy? Shatta Wale frustrated 2 seconds. What you do? You. Abobia koka kenko 9. Me see who's Stonebwoy. Shatta Wale frustrate you 2 seconds. You go pull gun. Now Obia to about to elect a leader. And that person goes out not to hurt anybody, not to fight anybody, to demonstrate peacefully. Now when you're that infantry, when you saw that vigor, you who is using who? Mr. Who's Stonebwoy, Shatta Wale Piano Tiko Kituebi, no what you do. Because if you say some Shatta Wale was suppressing you, Shatta Wale was taking that your right from you as a dad and as a husband until you felt say you needed to protect yourself. Stonebwoy, single individual. How many times have you pulled a gun? My friend, shut up. I respect you and I respect your wife. I'm going to save some words I wanted to use today because of your wife. I respect her a lot. I've not met her before, but I see her to be a very educated woman, very smart, and she will advise you to desist from this kind of reckless statements. Shatta Wale show body kitwebi what you do. The last time Obi show body kitu what you do. You see how frustration can make you, what frustration can make you do. You see, Stonebwoy. So shut up, my friend. Maintain that career. You have been perfect for some time now. Keep it. Man, from what is happening, you don't understand, my friend. If you are part of a big Anawati and you are very good, you express yourself well. But what we are doing is saving a nation. We are not saving Gambro or Ghana Music Award, Nabi. So start maintaining the way you speak. Nobody in Ashaiman is a fool for any politician to give them money to go and demonstrate. They are Ghanaians like you. With all due respect, they made you who you are today, Stonebwoy. The people you are undermining and thinking say they are expressing their views because they are being cheated. You know, they are the same people. And the Oba no to trousers. Now what chains. Now be guy uchi Range Rover because of the same stupid Ashaiman for now. Just say they don't have mind to make their own decisions, and then they will do her. Shut up. Shut up. It's an insult to Ashaiman for you need to apologize to them. I'm telling you, Stonebwoy. Why do you think they have to be influenced before they can come out and speak for themselves? Who are you, Stonebwoy? And when did you become Stonebwoy? We saw you in Kulenu or whatever. We were all in Ghana. We saw you. You are nobody. The Ashaiman people you are disrespecting thinking that they cannot take their own decisions, so they made you who you are. Shut up, my friend. They are did anybody die? Did they shoot anybody? They were out there letting the world know, say we have voted. And till date, we don't even have numbers. Because the people made you who you are, today you think you are smarter than, but this Shatta Wale didn't you pulled a gun. So it's be a frustration here. You've seen how when somebody wants to suppress you, how it feels like. The next time, Usako Shobia or Shoda or Kakrebi, what you do, what you Yemfa to mo ye de shoe panier the be water, Stone Boy. Shoe panier any the be water. I'm saying say maintain and start understanding the issues now. It's not about somebody forcing somebody to do something. No. The people you saw on the street of Ashaiman, they are not stupid. 99% of them are smarter than
these people. He was born and raised in Ashaiman, in a part in Ghana, an area in Accra in Ghana. He was born and raised in Ashaiman, and his people in Ashaiman went on the street, burning car tires and everything on the street, demonstrating and making noise, and tires in the street, everything they were doing, protesting, because they feel like maybe they haven't gotten, okay, let me say, they feel like the person they voted for, they feel like President John, the ex-president John Mahama should have won the election, but they might be whatever way they twisted it, or however they think. They are entitled to their opinion. But if you feel like your president that you voted for, they've cheated or whatever it is, there is a right way to do it. So let me read to you. While the demonstration was going on and everything, burning tires on the street and everything, one of the public figures, Stone Boy, being someone from this area, decided, okay, these are my people. I love them. I believe they have my family there. So let me talk to them, because at least they will listen. So he went on Twitter and he wrote like this: Ashaiman, my people, please, all these ones cannot solve anything. The politicians themselves know better what to do. Where our small power counts is to vote. And we have done just that. Don't allow yourself to be used by hearts. Let's keep the peace and go about our hustle. It go better. So Stone Boy wrote this on Twitter, assuming that people from Ashaiman will listen to him. And from nowhere, Kevin Taylor comes in to insult him, having the guts to say that people who have voted for President Mahama, they are waiting up to now. They've not heard anything. They don't even have the figures that President Mahama got and the figures that President Akufo-Addo got from the election, and AC has not done the best job, and they feel like there's been a cheating or something has gone on, and whatever they feel, they are making a peace in the first place. Kevin Taylor, you call this a peaceful protest? Burning tires on the street is a peaceful protest? Jumping on cars and jumping down is a peaceful protest? Do you even understand the word peaceful protest at all? And I know, I don't care. You just make a video and to insult me. I'm not nobody for you to insult. So I don't think maybe you will spend your time on me, because even someone like Honorable Kenneth Japan, you told him you don't have 2 minutes of your time for him. You insulted him like Sebi, as if he's not even a human being. So I don't care whatever you say to me, but you call this a peaceful protest? And are you trying to say that Stone Boy is not entitled to his own opinion anymore? You call this a peaceful protest? And you are saying that you are saving some words that you are about to use for him because of the respect you have for his wife. Come on. This is one of the problems of Africa. We allow party politics to destroy even the sense we have in our head. You call this a peaceful protest? So all that, if you understand what he read very well, what he wrote very well, I mean Stone Boy, if you understand it very well, he's saying that our politicians know what to do better. Yours is to go and cast your vote. After that, if you feel like something has gone on bad in the election, the best person in the right way to do it is the president himself. President John Dramani Mahama, ex-president. The best person to do anything is the NDC, those in power. If they feel like something has gone on wrong, they don't understand. That is why we have the Supreme Court. That is why we have the law enforcement body. That's why we have things to support. If in case something has gone wrong and you don't understand it, they go through the right channel. You can take the EC to court. You can order for a recounting. You can order for... I've watched a video of the ex-president John Dramani Mahama talking about now he doesn't really know what he's going to do, but he will be calling for a recounting or an independent or a private body, you know, coming in for the recounting or reassessment, or, you know, something should be done. And then if they recount and do everything and he still doesn't understand, there is still the chance to go to court. So all that Stonebwoy is saying, that my brothers, my sisters from Ashaiman, being on the street will not solve the problem. Burning tires on the street will not solve the problem. Making noise, jumping up and down. Somebody didn't go to work because he has to do a protest. Somebody has lost his day mark because he did a protest. What he's saying is that go to your work, work for yourself, take care of your family, do what the best that you can do to take care of yourself. Then after that, if there is anything to do or to be done, the president, the person you call that you think he has won, maybe something might have been done in the wrong way, that person knows best what to do. So just go to your work. Let's maintain the peace in our community and allow the right people who are the politicians to do the right thing. They know best, sorry, to do. What is wrong with this? No. Anybody in a right sense, what is wrong with this? Just let us go home and try to, okay, call on your president, the person you feel like is the leader of your party. Call on them. Call on the leaders of the party. Tell them that, okay, we voted for President, we voted for ex-president John Dramani Mahama to come into power, but we feel like something has been wrongly done. So party leaders, please. That is why we have the party leaders. We have many NDC people, but we have the party leaders. So they are elected to replace the people when it comes to issues like this. So party leaders, make sure that you fight however way you can fight to make sure that what we think was supposed to be done is done, and then they take it to the court. That is it. So what is wrong in this? And then after he has after he wrote this, somebody came in and said, you voted for Nana finish, so come and tell us bullshit, and then you spoil my day. And then, okay, let me read one thing that he said. He said, Chief, this is Stonebwoy's reply to the guy. He said, Chief, don't assume to confuse yourself. Read what I said. The politicians know better. Only if you knew anyway. I don't mean to spoil your day. So what Stonebwoy is saying is that the politicians know better. They know the best thing to do. So okay, let the whole Ghana start demonstrate. It will not change anything. Let the whole Ashaiman demonstrate for 10 days. It will not change anything. The best way to do it is to go to court. The best way to do it, Nana Addo, President John Dramani Mahama, Asiedu Nkatia, they know the best thing to do. So if somebody stays in Ashaiman and demonstrate, what does it change in the election? What does it change? What change does it bring in the 7th December election? What change does that protest bring? For after they made the protest, what change has it? It has not result to anything. So anybody in a rightful mind will not say you are. Why would Kevin Taylor even sit there to insult Stonebwoy for what he said? For I don't see anything wrong in what he said. The politicians know better what to do, and that's the right word. They know better. So the guy on Ashaiman who cannot even read and write, who doesn't even know his name, how to write or read or write, or who cannot even spell his own name, what does he know? Are you saying that he knows better? Those that are protesting on the street, do they know better than the ex-president John Dramani Mahama himself? This man is educated. He's intelligent. So if there's anything to be done, ex-president John Dramani Mahama knows better than those people demonstrating on Ashaiman Street. That is it. And I don't think there's anything wrong with what Stonebwoy said. But Kevin Taylor, please. You've insulted people. Try to get manners. Stop insulting people. Sometimes, even though it could be that what you are trying to put out there might be the best thing, but stop insulting. After all these things you told Stonebwoy, you are telling me that me viewing you, that you are telling me as a viewer that you even had words that you will save some words because of his wife. So what else did you want to tell him after all that you have said, how you descended on him? What did he do wrong? Come on, Ghana. We are better than this. We are more than 60 years after independence. More than 60 years. And if we are going to continue our election and our politics like this, Ghana, we are going nowhere. Because Ghana, politics has gone so much deep in our minds that sometimes even when somebody is doing something wrong, for the name on for the sake of a party, it is right. Come on. Come on. I don't see anything wrong in what he said. If there's anybody that knows best, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, knows the best than the guy demonstrating on Ashaman Street. Because demonstrating on Ashaman Street will not change the election. It will not change the figures that has come out. It will not change the results that EC brought out there. So that is what Stonebwoy is talking about. That you demonstrating and causing all this kind of noise and burning tiles and people. Let me tell you something. We've had elections upon elections. There was in one constituency where a guy picked a ballot box, was running away, he got shot. He died. John Dramani, I don't know whether he's for NPP or he's for NDC. But none of the NDC or NPP people will go to his place and then, go and mourn and go and give money to his family to even if they give them money, it won't bring his life back to, it won't bring that guy back to life. So people has lost their life just because they were misled. That's because they think they have to do everything for NPP to come up to power. They think they have to do everything for NDC to come to power. But you as an individual, the best thing you can ever do is to go and cast your vote. And that's it. And after that, you have party leaders. If they think something has gone on wrong, the best they can do is to go to court. Do the right thing. Go through the right channel. That is how we bring people up in a community. That is how we educate people in a community. Not to try to sit in America. You are in America. So if anything happens there in Ghana, if people die in Ashama, you are not there. So you are encouraging them to be on the street. Somebody thinking that he's also an MPP member or whatever member will come in, they will be at least yeah, and then this one will slap, that one will slap, it will turn to a fight, somebody will die. Will you be happy? So let them go home and let the politicians who have been elected into power to be who have power in the party, let them do the right thing because they know the best thing to be done even more than you. That is simple. Why would you insult Stonebwoy? Kevin Taylor, please stop insulting people. They are also human beings like you, okay? They are all human beings like you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today, I'm sorry, but I think I lost it. I don't know why people just can't do the right thing. And if somebody writes the best thing or write the right thing, why would you just... Please. This cannot be tolerated. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. See you in another time. Bye-bye.